Vinyl Windows Pasadena, Texas, offers homeowners a seamless way to enhance their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient vinyl windows, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort throughout the year. Custom vinyl windows in Pasadena, TX, provide tailored solutions to meet specific design preferences and functional needs, ensuring a perfect fit for any home style. Window replacement services in Pasadena, Texas, are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your home's windows. By opting for vinyl window replacement, homeowners can benefit from improved insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window repair in Pasadena, TX, is a cost-effective solution for addressing minor damages and extending the lifespan of existing windows. Double-hung vinyl windows in Pasadena are a popular choice due to their classic design and ease of operation. These windows offer excellent ventilation options and are easy to clean, making them a practical choice for busy households. Vinyl window maintenance in Pasadena, TX, ensures that your windows remain in top condition, providing long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Affordable vinyl windows Pasadena are available through a variety of vinyl window contractors who offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Vinyl window suppliers in Pasadena, TX, provide a wide range of options, from standard designs to custom solutions, catering to diverse homeowner needs. Vinyl window upgrades in Pasadena can significantly enhance the functionality and appearance of your windows, adding value to your home. Vinyl window designs in Pasadena, Texas, encompass a variety of styles and configurations, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect match for their architectural preferences. Vinyl window frames in Pasadena, TX, are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements, making them an ideal choice for the local climate. Vinyl Window Solutions in Pasadena offer comprehensive services, from consultation to installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience for homeowners. Vinyl window experts in Pasadena, Texas, possess the knowledge and experience to guide homeowners through the selection and installation process. With a focus on vinyl window styles in Pasadena, TX, these professionals can recommend the best options to complement your home's design. Vinyl window options in Pasadena are vast, providing homeowners with the flexibility to choose windows that meet their specific needs and budget. Vinyl window benefits in Pasadena, Texas include enhanced energy efficiency, improved aesthetics, and increased property value. Vinyl window features in Pasadena, TX, such as multi-chambered frames and advanced glazing, contribute to superior insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window quality in Pasadena is assured through rigorous manufacturing standards and quality control processes. Vinyl Windows Pasadena, Texas, ensures that your investment will withstand the test of time, even in challenging weather conditions. Vinyl window insulation in Pasadena, TX, plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. Vinyl window aesthetics in Pasadena enhance the overall look of your home, with a variety of colors and finishes available to suit any style. Vinyl window performance in Pasadena, Texas, is characterized by their ability to provide excellent thermal efficiency and soundproofing. Vinyl window technology in Pasadena incorporates the latest advancements in materials and design, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Vinyl windows in Pasadena, Texas, are a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Pasadena, TX vinyl window installation services are readily available, offering professional installation to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Energy-efficient vinyl windows in Pasadena are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Custom vinyl windows in Pasadena, TX, allow homeowners to personalize their windows to match their unique style and functional requirements. Window replacement in Pasadena, Texas, is a straightforward process with the help of experienced vinyl window contractors. Vinyl window repair in Pasadena, TX, can address issues such as broken seals or damaged frames, restoring the functionality and appearance of your windows. Double-hung vinyl windows in Pasadena offer a timeless look with modern performance benefits, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Vinyl window maintenance in Pasadena TX involves regular cleaning and inspection to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Affordable vinyl windows in Pasadena provide a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Vinyl window contractors in Pasadena, Texas, offer expert guidance and installation services to ensure a seamless experience. Vinyl window suppliers in Pasadena, TX, offer a wide selection of products to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Vinyl window upgrades in Pasadena can enhance the energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal of your home, providing a worthwhile investment. Vinyl window designs in Pasadena, Texas, offer a range of styles and configurations to suit any architectural preference. Vinyl window frames in Pasadena, TX, are designed to withstand the elements, providing long-lasting durability and performance. Vinyl window solutions in Pasadena offer comprehensive services, from consultation to installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience for homeowners. Vinyl window experts in Pasadena, Texas, possess the knowledge and experience to guide homeowners through the selection and installation process.